Chuck Reimel, Reimel Motor Cars, here with our 2005 Ford GT. Ford debuted this GT in 2005. Styled after the iconic GT40, they decided to release this car as part of their celebration of their 100 years in business. This was right in the midst when Ford was trying to get back to their roots, going back to their iconic design for the Ford Mustang and really trying to do the same thing with the GT. And the story of the GT40 is one of the best in racing history, made famous now by the blockbuster hit Ford vs. Ferrari. After Henry Ford's failed attempt to buy Ferrari, he developed a vendetta, hired Carroll Shelby, and put him in charge of the operation. They developed the GT40 to go racing at Le Mans, and were incredibly successful. Ford originally set to build 550 of these Ford GTs, but because of the popularity, they ended up building just over 4,000. It was available with only 4 options: a painted stripe, painted brake calipers, forged wheels, and a Macintosh radio. This particular Ford GT has all 4 options. The Ford GT is a V8 supercharged mid-engine supercar with 550 horsepower and just under 3,500 pounds. Bringing it from 0 to 60 miles an hour in 3.3 seconds. This car has the look and the performance numbers and truly is a modern supercar. And with its iconic looks and name, it's proven to be very collectible. When you drive this car, people's reaction is so much different than any other supercar. There's something about the classic design of this car that everybody loves. Ford really went above and beyond to try and emulate the original GT40, the roofline only being 4 inches taller than the original GT40. The way the hood and the rear clam open are so reminiscent of the original car. The styling of the interior, the styling of the seats, every little piece, although modern, has that iconic touch to it. In Reimel Motor Cars, we specialize in interesting cars. For more information and photos of this car, check out our website, reimelmotorcars.com. We're open by appointment only, so to schedule a showing, please call or email. Also check out our Instagram and Facebook.